please like and subscribe to this video. Enjoy. The misadventures of Bluebird. Our story starts somewhere deep, right next to a big house, next to a parking lot. They all were excited that they were invited to the party. They cannot wait to drink juice, apple juice. They were excited. All except for the smarty pants right here. And no one was more excited than Bluebird. Now let's dive in. Nah, I wish I could drink right now. I want to drink apple juice. Can you stop knocking me over, please? Guys, I know what to do. I actually know what to do. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna find the lost treasure of Arcadia. Well, now, what kind of place is that? I'll show you in a minute. See here? Whoa! That is true. Anyways, what are you planning to do? Before going after that treasure, I'm gonna get a few gulps of apple juice, then I'll go. Awesome. Yeah, it is awesome. Why are we saying anything? Oh, I don't know. It's me, cause I don't know. But it is cool. Anyways, hey guys, what are you talking about? Ah, gosh darn it, you interrupted our conversation. Yeah, bro, what is wrong with you? Sorry, I just wanted to know. I just want to know what you were talking about. Ooh. Can you please stop being nosy? Ah, fine. Ugh. Wait. Where'd you come from? Hey, don't you remember me? I'm Bricker. Oh, right. You mean Bloxer. Oh, yeah, Bloxer. Oh, yeah, we were just talking about something a little bit more important. And what was that important thing? The important thing was, you don't need to know right now. Oh, you mean the treasure of Arcadia? Yeah? Oh, wow, that is such an ancient myth. That is such an ancient myth. Excuse my grammar. And how exactly are you gonna find those? Behind you. Are you seriously gonna use guns? Yes, we are. Aren't you excited? Yeah, I am excited. Why would I not be excited? Guys, I think you're getting too hyper. Wait for me! Wait for me too! Hey, don't forget your phone! I'm a minion! Ooh. Hey, what do you think they're up to? I don't know, dude. It must be something good or bad. Okay. It must be something important. Hey, guys, what are you all doing here? We're here to be invited. You're not invited. Only all three of us. Aw. But I'm the king. I want to go. Fine. Yay. And you get out of here. But I was invited, remember? Oh. Oh, now what is this hype all about? The treasure of Arcadia, don't you remember? Oh. Attention all party members. At 12 o'clock, we'll be leaving the building. Ooh. Ah. Oh well. After a few more minutes, we're just gonna gulp it down. Let's just drink our juice, everybody. Cheers. Cheers. After a few hours of having fun and all that stuff. Finally, we're ready for an adventure. Who's ready, guys? Me, all of us. Good. Now let's get going. Ugh. Oof. Ooh. Ah. Oh. You forgot your phone again. You'll forget about me. Ooh, I almost forgot. The guns. The precious guns. I don't need that. Hey, dude. Looks like they left a gun behind. Ooh, we're gonna get that treasure, right? Right then, let's get the M1 Garand. Sure. Alright. Wow, dude, look at this. Hey, dude. We can defeat those people with that. Why are we laying on the floor? I don't know. I want to rest. Did you just do a random noise? Yes, I did. Fine. I'll just, let you go with that. Let's just get the guns. Oh, they left us a scope. I'm gonna be sniping. I call dibs on the sniping position. Fine, I'll call dibs. Fine, I'll keep the infantry position. What was that all about? Maybe they're going to some kind of treasure of Arcadia thing. I'll join him, team. Wait for me! I want revenge on them. Hey, guys, wait for me! Guys, are you coming or what? I'm coming. It's not that easy to walk faster. We're humans, right? No, we're basically stuffed toys who are being controlled by some cameraman. Don't break the fourth wall for God's sake. Sorry. What's up, dudes? You broke the fourth wall, let me guess. Yes. Now, who's bringing the AK? Fine, I'm bringing the AK, I guess. 1 second, let me just reload this. Whatever, I'll do it down the road. Let's just get going. Sure, shall we? I guess so. That is the end of episode 1. I hope you enjoyed. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And also, this is only the first. This is the start of this series. So if you liked it, please comment down below. So if you spotted the mini truck, please comment down below. Please comment down below Jacksepticeye is the best. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Wait, I said that twice. Yeah, like I said. Now, bye-bye!